Welcome to this video. The purpose of this video is to introduce the Waterwise Irrigation Design Shop program and how Waterwise Endorsement might assist irrigation businesses in the region. So what is the Waterwise Irrigation Design Shop program? It's a self-study endorsement program raising the professionalism of the irrigation industry in the domestic or home garden market. The training contained in the programs is based on best practice guidelines for domestic garden watering systems. There are two Waterwise programs. The Waterwise Garden Irrigator program was created for irrigation installers and contractors, including landscapers, gardeners, or anybody providing irrigation services to their customers in the field. The second program, which we're focusing on today, is the Waterwise Irrigation Design Shop program. This program is ideal for specialist irrigation retail shops and focuses on providing training for staff at counter level to ensure they are providing professional advice and irrigation design services to the community. So how does a business achieve and then maintain Waterwise endorsement? There are 6 easy steps which we'll go through in more detail in a moment. Step 1, read the program guidelines to ensure that you meet program criteria. This document can be found on the waterwiseprograms.com.au website. All participants must agree to uphold these program guidelines upon application. Step 2, complete an online application and process payment. Step 3, all staff at counter level are asked to undertake study and assessments. Now this entire process may take a period of 8 to 12 weeks, but this time frame can be extended or fast-tracked depending on individual needs. Step 4, once assessments are completed and endorsement is achieved, members are expected to carry out works in alignment with the Waterwise principles. Step 5, endorsed stores may be submitted to random audits. Each year, several stores are selected at random to undergo audit, and members are notified when this might occur. Step 6, commit to ongoing professional development, and we'll talk more about this in a moment. The training. When an application has been processed, staff are supplied with training manuals in an electronic format to study at their own pace at a convenient time to them. The manuals cover best practice guidelines for domestic irrigation design and principles to be followed for an irrigation system to qualify as Waterwise. We generally allow a period of 6 to 8 weeks for this study phase, but depending on the participants' day-to-day business workload, this can be extended or shortened as needed. When the staff have sufficiently studied the manuals, we move on to assessments. Assessments are conducted online using an online training platform called Moodle. These assessments can be undertaken at any time on any computer or laptop connected to the internet. We don't recommend the use of smaller smart devices for this, as there are several questions involving diagrams which might be difficult to view on a small screen. All questions are multiple choice. The assessments are broken down into sections relating to the various topics within the manuals, and this means they can be completed over several days or weeks. We generally allow a period of 2 to 4 weeks for this assessment phase, but again can be extended or shortened depending on participants' workloads. And finally, a 100% mark must be achieved on each section before moving on to the next section. In this slide is an example of one section within the assessments. This one is for irrigation scheduling. As you can see, there are multiple choice questions with 4 possible options. Assessments can be attempted at any time of the day, but Irrigation Australia staff are available to assist during business hours if there are any questions or difficulties experienced. Once staff have completed their assessments, the store is then endorsed as a Waterwise Irrigation Design Shop. Staff are allocated with a unique ID number, which is displayed on their endorsement certificates and should be quoted when they are providing customers with irrigation designs. The store will also receive Waterwise merchandise and electronic logos, which can be used as a point of difference in the marketplace. Some of the merchandise supplied includes a set of Waterwise ceiling posters, a barley flag. This is an optional extra in some areas. A large window decal is provided for display on shopfront window. Electronic logos can be used on stationery, invoices, business cards, and company website. Endorsed Waterwise irrigation design shops are actively promoted by Irrigation Australia at every opportunity. For example, on the waterwiseprograms.com.au website, on the Waterwise Irrigation Programs Facebook and LinkedIn pages, promotion at community events such as gardening shows and festivals. There will be digital advertising or newspaper advertising to encourage the use of endorsed Waterwise businesses. Irrigation Australia also has printed resources which are distributed to the community. All endorsed members are provided with quantities of our extremely popular Sprinkler Runtime flyers. You'll see that one side of the flyer is a promotion of the Waterwise members, whilst the other side is a valuable tool in educating the community to set their sprinkler runtimes based on their sprinkler type. These flyers are distributed to the community through local water utilities, local irrigation retail outlets, and at community events. We encourage members to distribute these throughout their community. All members are supplied with stock of printed controller cards. These come in packs of 50 and are another great tool for educating the community on sprinkler runtime and seasonal adjustments. This is a screenshot of the Waterwise Programs website. All advertising and promotion directs traffic to this site, which has been developed to make it as easy as possible for the community to locate a Waterwise business if they need help with their irrigation. And this is all done through the Waterwise Irrigation Search Directory. The Search Directory section allows the community to search for the Waterwise businesses within their desired locality parameters. Each individual listing includes some background information on each business, including contact details, social media and company website, services offered, and operating hours, and can be customised with images and logos. To maintain the integrity of the programs, Irrigation Australia conducts random audits of its Waterwise members annually through an independent consultant. The auditor is provided with a checklist of points based on the Waterwise manuals and program guidelines. In addition to paying the annual membership fee, each member is asked to commit to ongoing professional development for staff to maintain the store's Waterwise endorsement. This might include attendance at an eligible Irrigation Australia event. We hold regular member breakfasts, site visits, training workshops, and a state irrigation expo, as well as a national conference every 2 years. If attending an event in person is not possible, a short online re-endorsement assessment is available as well. That concludes this brief presentation on the Waterwise Irrigation Design Shop program. We thank you for your attention. If you have any questions at all, please don't hesitate to contact the WA Office of Irrigation Australia on these details. If you believe this program could benefit your business, please head to our website, waterwiseprograms.com.au, and select the Become Waterwise tab to download the program guidelines and lodge an online application. Thank you.